We have been asked to do eyeliner for hooded eyes on all our social media, and I am going to do two different liners on Jenny's eyes. One that is a little bit more thin and easier to do on a daily basis, and one that is more bold if you want to go full on eyeliner. And for you who doesn't know what hooded eyes are, is when the skin here covers most part of the eyelid. So the eyelid is hidden under here. We are gonna take the focus away from that on this eye, focus on keeping the eyelid as big and open as possible, and then work outwards instead. I am working with our liner brush 300, and I'm gonna do a very thin liner. And you can keep it like this if you like, you don't have to do a wing. In Jenny's case here, the crease line continues where you want the eyeliner to be. So we're not gonna focus on that, but we're gonna focus on work from underneath instead. And there we have it. It's super easy. You still have this nice line that goes slightly up, and you have a wing that is really enhancing your eye shape. If the line, the crease line, goes below, really below your outer corner, it's easier to do the way that I'm gonna do on this eye. We are gonna go from the crease and do a line here. Now we're gonna focus on lifting your eye, and then we're gonna drag it down to the outer corner of the eye, like this. Trust the process. This is gonna look a bit weird now, but it's gonna look awesome when I'm done. Then we're gonna fill it in. And also, depending on how your eye shape is and how your eye looks, you might do this a little bit different. You can do it with colors, you can do it with glitter. I'm gonna fade this onto the eyelid. So if you're doing this with eyeshadow, make sure you have an eye primer underneath, because if you have hooded eyes, you will have a crease line that might destroy the liner, and you might also have more oily eyelids. Now I'm just taking concealer to clean up the line a little bit, because I think it went a little bit too far out. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put on some mascara to finish this off. Then I want you to tell me which side that you like the most, and I'm gonna share another tip for hooded eyes in the next video.